I have a really exciting news to share with you. We are moving to greener, literally greener pastures, to a slightly more rural setting with beautiful views on the countryside, and the garden is a blank canvas. There's very little to no landscaping, a lot of room for plants, and a connected rear and front garden, which is awesome. Right now in a terraced house, my front garden and my back garden were completely separated. I had to go through the house or go around the whole block of houses. And now I can have a garden trolley to go from one side to another. That's really exciting. I think the cats are going to love it. We're going to love it. So just a little note to tell you that the video schedule might be a little bit uncertain at the minute while we set up in the new space, but I'm really excited. It's a lot of work to move this garden and take all the plants that we can and all the planters, all the shelving, everything we had put together. But it's also an amazing opportunity to design the garden from scratch. So we'll take you through everything, assessing the space, the plants that are already there, what's the aspect, what kind of flower beds we're going to draw up, all the plant choices, all the planting and the redesigning. Oh, I should say also, we're still renting. This is still a home we're renting for now. Right now, the market is just not right to buy a house, so we're waiting, but in the meantime, we have a wonderful opportunity to enjoy a bigger space. I've actually already started to move some things out. You confused? This is where the sofa used to be against the fence, and I've emptied the greenhouse where we had some seedlings growing. Everything's still doing pretty well. I need to water and to transplant a few things also. But basically we had to move out some plants out here so that we could make room to evacuate bigger furniture. We had to move this little table also. Begonias, I haven't skipped a beat. Really beautiful. We still have a lot of dahlia blooms coming through. Look, this looks so empty without the little cold frame. But yeah, we're going to have to move all of this, I'm going to dig out the dahlias and just sort this out. Yeah, it's going to be a lot of work, huh? Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out all these new videos coming up about designing a garden with me. So I'll see you next time with more updates. Bye guys! Hey. The geranium also are so beautiful. Doesn't look like October, does it?